Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekick. So I think you're gonna try not to participate in this video. This is Zena over here. This is Wyatt. I'm Laura. I'm so glad you're here. Please do hit that subscribe, hang out with us. We do try to bring you a video each and every day. For today, I have my June LookFantastic box for you. Love LookFantastic. This is a beauty subscription from LookFantastic, which is the #1 beauty retailer in Europe. This is an affordable subscription. I love this one. $19 a month if you pay monthly. Of course, the price does go down based on how the frequency in which you pay. So you can choose 3, 6, 9, I think 9 or 12. And let me check, 3, 6, or 12. If you go down to paying 12 months all at once, it goes down to $16 per month. All right, let's dig in. Here's what I see, and I love these boxes. They're like the kind that you can store things in, so you can keep them if you so chose. Here's what I see as soon as I open my box. They always give you a nice little booklet that tells you about the box and gives you all kinds of additional beauty information. And this is their Eco Month. Discover, Learn, Inspire, it says. Lots of information in here, from what's in the box to probiotic facts, the Planet Positive beauty brands behind the theme. The theme is elements. TikTok trending, Bloom and Wild, and a sneak preview into what's coming next. All right, let's get into my box. I think that the value of this box is so worth the price. And of course, I do have a discount for you. I'll share it at the end. First up is a gentle facial buffer. That's what I'm looking at. And it says that gently exfoliate your skin with this natural facial buffer made using natural cotton and flax. So this is an exfoliating pad from award-winning, environmentally responsible brand So Eco. Great for all skin types, this pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skincare products. So you just dampen with warm water, squeeze your favorite body wash onto the pad, you can gently rub all over your body in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. All right, that's #1. Next, I've got the Ritual of Jing, or is it Ying? Relax Mild Body Scrub. This is an exfoliating body scrub composed of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells while giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. Formulated with active ingredients that are suitable on even the most sensitive skin areas such as neck and cleavage. So it has sacred lotus, jojoba, shea butter, coconut oil. So you just massage into damp skin in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. Okay, there's still lots more. Next up, this is Dr. Lip Tint, 100% natural, red radish pigment. This is a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of color with 100% natural ingredients. It has lanolin and anthocyanins. I hope I said that right. Smooth onto lips throughout the day as often as needed. You can apply to the cheeks and or eyelids for a glossy pop of color as well. Let's see what this looks like. It's a little bit red there. I already have color on, but let's see what this looks like. You can see it a little bit. I think because I already had color on, it might be harder, but it feels really nice on. It's nice and smooth, not cakey, feels really good. Okay, next up, this is by Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm 24-Hour Replenishing Eye Moisturizer. Nourishing eye cream to hydrate and soften. So it's the deeply nourishing, hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective kind to skin ingredients to replenish, protect, and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening Primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturize for eyes that appear refreshed and youthful. So you're supposed to gently tap a small amount under the eyes and up to the brow bone every morning and evening for cleansing, after cleansing. Okay. We have two more. This one is Philip Kingsley Styling. I do like their products. Gotten this before. I used the shampoo and conditioner that came in this box and loved it. This is called the Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. And it's a frizz fighting serum, which I need right now because it is so humid that as soon as I walk outside, my hair is done for the day. It's a frizz fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style the hair, packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane, 100% recyclable and manufactured in a sustainable way. It has vitamin B5, vitamin A, and citric acid, and you just apply a small amount to the mid-length and ends of towel-dried hair and then style as you want. And one last item. This is called Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Milk. Look like my cap is open just a little bit here. Massage into damp skin until makeup has fully broken down and rinse with warm water and follow with your favorite moisturizer. So it's a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer, and brighter thanks to its signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex. And it's designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barriers while also giving or gently exfoliating. And that's everything in my box. What did you think? I love trying some of these products. I like the collection that they put together, that it's mostly around beauty and not as much makeup. So a lot more around the hair, the face, the moisturizing. I really like it. I even like the body scrub. All right, so I got 6 products in here. $19 a month if you pay on a monthly basis, goes all the way down to $16 if you buy it 12 months at once. However, I do have a link for you. If you use my link down below, you will get your first month for $1 when you purchase a 12-month subscription. So I'll put all the information down below for LookFantastic. I do like this beauty subscription. I think it is so great to try all of these products. All right. The book has a lot of great information in it as well. I won't read it to you because we would be here for a while, but they do talk about probiotics, as I mentioned. What are they? How can you use them? The Planet Positive brands, for those, you know, that I think that's important right now. We should be aware of which of those are. And then all what's trending in rice water rinses on TikTok. And also a little preview of what's coming for the July box, which is a superfood glow priming moisturizer, which is worth $22 all by itself. All right, that is a wrap on my LookFantastic June box. I hope you enjoyed this just as much as I did. Would love you to give it a thumbs up. Helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. Do hang out with us. Hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.